There's a little mini fish. Disgusting. There's Ben and his face, and he's gonna eat it for $5.
I've got to die the fact that I This is what I do if I was playing Russian roulette. Right?
You gotta swallow.
And I knew the bullet there. I was just like, okay, can you grab a bag of marshmallows?
Can you taste it?
A little bit. I'm getting here by...
He's eating a fish.
You staying here? You staying here now?
Because it's night last night. I'm over the house.
Taste it now. He's eating a fish.
Well, no, leave him here. Ben, you staying here?
You don't even like fish.
Ben, you want to plant?
Going back to my house to snack that. Did you eat the whole fish? Nope, you still got more.
Oh, no, I'm staying here now. But not overnight.
Face me. Eat it. There's still more. That's what I'm saying.
I'm not saying hello. Oh, I only got a quarter of it.
Not there yet. Not quite. Not completely. We're getting there though. How much is left? Ew. Hurry up.
Have fun at Daddy. Okay, and how are you doing this? You just going there, staying there till just finish your home, you got your keys?
I don't have my key, and I have to go to Jess's at least for a little while to get my money. I would like my money.
You need to ride back, so you gotta get it as soon as you get there and leave.
How are we getting there?
Myra's bringing us in.
You're gonna have to drop me, Raina, and Courtney. She's dropping us off at Jess's house.
Right now, so basically, yeah.
Okay.
I'm going with her. Hey, you found it though. You look. Eat it, Ben.
You ate the whole thing?
Yeah. Right now.
That's so gross.
What does it mean to you?